ladies and gentlemen. This is Amber coming to you with the Frag View, coming to you with another video review. And today we are going to get into my May tray. It is May, you all. Yay! Well, if you're interested in seeing what's going to be on this tray, just keep watching. Hello, family. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Yo, sis may go left, but it's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. I hope you all are doing really well. And hey, new family. Well, if you're new to this channel, this is my May tray. I just show you all what are some of the fragrances that are going to be on my rotation for the month of May. I actually have a lot of new fragrances that I have not mentioned on the channel yet that I will be testing. And so we are going to get right into it. And some you have heard a time or two or 20, but that's okay. Just giving you all a little sneak peek of what's on my tray. And if you all see me in some of these bottles, hey girl, hey brother, you might see me actually taping this because some of these bottles are very shiny. But it is what it is. So we're going to start off with this beautiful Bond number 9 fragrance, Lolita. She's a oldie but goodie, but I just got her, so I am going to test her out. She is Miss Popular, and for good reason. This is a very good spring summer date night, quick grab and go possibly. So I'm going to be testing her out more. We will put the fragrant notes on the screen. I really don't go into depth with the fragrance notes and things on this. I just show you all kind of like a show and tell. I just show you all what I have on my tray, but we don't go deep into notes just because we ain't got time for all that. There's a lot of fragrances, and you know your sis talk too much. Anyway, yeah, we'll have the notes up so that you all can kind of see more. But yes, this is Lolita, and I am glad that I will be able to wear her. And let's go to this beauty, this Givenchy Irresistible, and this is the Eau de Parfum, okay? Right here, yep. And so that is also a new beauty, a part of my collection. I am so glad to have her. I think this is the best, I wouldn't say the best, but this is a really good spring summer fragrance. I think it's like definitely an easy grab and go. I think this is going to be my work from home scent a lot of the times, but I just enjoyed, I was in a Dillard's and I started like smell testing things and smelled that. And I was like, oh, wow, I love that smell. That's really good spring summer. So I just wanted it in my collection. So I have a little bottle, but I am so glad that she is now a part of my fragrance wardrobe. And back here we have the Musc Noir Rose, Narciso Rodriguez, and this is not a new fragrance. I did have this, I feel like it was like the early part of last year, but I've had her for a little while. I just haven't really got to test her, so I want to test her in this season and see what it does. I know a lot of people are talking about this fragrance, and so I have had success with her thus far, but I just want to see kind of, you know, what she does. Does the rose like become more intense? Because it's a little bit of a lighter fragrance for me, but I do not mind light fragrances, especially during the season. So that's why I want to get my nose on it more. And I will get back to you on, of course, my thoughts. And so then we have Skylar Peach Fields. I think I've had her on my tray before, but I recently got this one. This is definitely a peach. Like if you are a peach lover, okay, if you want a peach scent for spring summer, that's your girl, and that's your affordable girl, let's just say. So please feel free. I think that is even a good blind buy worthy fragrance because it's just a fruity peach. So if you like a fruity peach, you would love that. It's a clean brand, Skylar. I do like a lot of Skylar fragrances. There has been a lime one that, y'all, or a mojito. Maybe it's a lime. I think it's a lime one that it seems like you all don't like it, and I'm just gonna believe you at this point. I don't think I want that one. So I haven't heard a lot of good reviews on that, so I'm just gonna stick with the peach fields, and yeah, I love that. So we have Pure Musk, Narciso Rodriguez, again for her. This is such a beautiful musk fragrance. This bottle, you all, is everything. If you have this, this is such a heavy bottle. It is such like a pretty musk fragrance. When I tell you like a good, like if a bride wanted to put this as a base and then another perfume on top, she would be all set to go. Like this is such a great white floral wedding type of scent, musk type of, like this is so good. Highly recommend. If you see it, get it. Yeah, that's just a pretty fragrance, and I can't wait to use her up. All right, and next up we have the new Angel Mugler, and this is the Eau de Parfum. I believe this is the newest release from them, and it's like smelling like a good vanilla. I have to test it more. I just got it. So again, I'll have to come back with my thoughts on that fragrance, but I believe it's definitely more vanilla pronounced. Again, I love a good vanilla, so I'm excited to test that. I just don't know if that is good for, you know, spring, summer, or I just need to hold off on it for the fall, but we'll test it in this season, and then I'll come back and of course give my thoughts. But we, of course, have the beautiful, good girl, Carolina Herrera. Okay, blush. I love this fragrance. This is everything like this pink bottle. Like if you think of pink, that's exactly what this has. Like it just has like the pretty girl, the pretty floral, the springtime, but vanilla and creamy. I love this fragrance. Highly recommend you get this. If you like Carolina Herrera, if you haven't had that much success with this brand, maybe try it again and see if this would be your jam. I really feel like this is a really good purchase, especially for this season. So highly recommend you try it out, sis. Okay, now next up I have Escada, and this is Miami Blossom. So this back when I first was really kind of digging more into fragrances and watching fragrance reviews and all of that. Sheree here on YouTube, definitely another big influencer here in the fragrance community. She raved about this one, and so I really got it off of her recommendation. I absolutely love this. This is a very much a fruit cocktail. This is beauty in a bottle. Like if you want a fruity fragrance but don't want to spend a lot of money, but also if you are between and again, nothing wrong with a body spray, but you know how they say like Killian's Eden's Juicy Apple, Killian's Eden Juicy Apple fragrance kind of reminds you of a body spray, but like a more mature one. This kind of gives me same vibes. Not that it's a dupe of that, but it gives me the same vibe that this is like a fruity cocktail body, like an elevated body spray in a perfume. I don't know if that even makes sense, but it's really good. If you can find it, I highly recommend you all get it. It's so good, especially for this time and this season. So Kayali, Yum, Pistachio, Gelato. I'm just going to continue to wear that. I have thoughts. I really do like this, you all, but it's absolutely different than what I thought it would be, but I'm not turned off by it. Like I'm not mad at it. Yeah, y'all, I'm not mad at it. It's not as what am I trying to say, like gourmand or ice cream or gelato. Like it's not what I thought it was going to be. But again, maybe if the name, like maybe if it wasn't gelato, people would probably would have been like, oh my gosh, like it's just very refreshing. It's very happy, and I'm almost like a little citrusy, limey. Like it is very, there's cream in it, but it's more bright. Yeah, so we'll get into that more, but I do Love that I've been testing it out, honestly, just throughout even the month of April, just to get my feels on it. But I've been kind of, rocking and layering it with different things, but we'll come back to that and get more in depth if you all care and want to hear my thoughts. But this is Bright Peach. I just got this. It is definitely an inspired fragrance of Tom Ford's Bitter Peach. Y'all have heard me talk about it before, but I also think it's more brighter than the Bitter Peach, in my opinion. This beauty right here, we're going to get into this one. Juicy Flower by Mancera, honey. That's a good one. That's a good one. All right, just hints. That's a good one. Okay. Now, this one turned my head when I was in a store in Cancun, actually. Between this and another one that's on this tray, just turned my head. So, this is Daydreams. And this is Blue Matcha. Honey. Between both of these, spring, summer, y'all not gonna be able to tell me anything. These are so pretty. It almost just like stopped me. Literally, it stopped me because I was going to purchase it in Cancun, but when I saw that it was cheaper on Joma Shop, I just waited for Joma Shop and I just got it from there. But we are going to get into Mancera. We are going to get into Montale because I got into that bag real hard. But these two fragrances, I'm so happy. Okay, let's just say they're so good. If you don't have them or know about them, get to know them. These are both, to me, blind buy official. Like, seriously, get that. Now, of course, we have my champagne rose bubble bath, and this is Don Rosa. And there is a intense version of this that I can't wait to smell, but I just needed this on my tray. I was craving for it. I got this at the latter part of like winter, tail end of that. And yeah, I'm just going to be rocking it out spring and this heat. Like, I want to rock this out this month. And then we have the original Acqua de Gioia. And that is, honey, good. That is another pretty spring fragrance that I highly recommend you get. Very much easy that you can pair it. I'm thinking about pairing the Kayali Pistachio Gelato, the Yum. I'm thinking about pairing this with this. So, I will come back on what that smells like, but I am thinking it's going to be oh so good. And then I have, you all know, I just recently got the full bottle because I had the travel size, and this is Coconut Sun, the 7 Virtues. Pretty. Coconut, freshing, beautiful, bright. Like, that's what I want to be for this month. Like, last month, last month was a month. Okay, let's just say it was a month. But this month, I just want to, I want to be happy and bright. And I want my fragrances to feel that way so that maybe, that can kind of set the stage for what I want this month to be. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if that makes sense, but sometimes fragrances just do that to me, where if I wear a bright fragrance, I can just have that bright energy no matter what's going on around me. You know what I'm saying? Like, not just kind of blacking out what's going on around me and just keeping on the positive and happiness. Cause whoo, baby, that the devil was trying me. Okay. So we have Flora Botanica, and this is Balenciaga. This is so good. As you can see, that dent is so real because it is so good, and that cannabis note, that's fresh. This is such a good fragrance. If you don't have it, get it. If I run out of this, I am definitely getting a full bottle. Actually, I might just buy a backup just in case it decides to go like out of stock or something like that. I don't know. Y'all know. Fragrance come, go, left, right. I don't know. Just like this one. You can't find it. Can y'all find this one? So this one is Acqua Algoria Coconut Frizz. And this is from Guerlain. So I love this one. This coconut fresh fragrance. If you all can't get it, I hope you all really can find this, because this was a good, I don't know why they discontinued that, but this is such a good fragrance to have, especially for this season. I think I'm going to just this coconut sun behind it. I think I'm going to do some layering with that. I am going to get my feels on the coconut train, honey. That's what just we're going to do. Okay. Well, that's all, family. That's all from a tray. That's it. It looks so good. All right. And what's on your tray? What are you all going to be rocking this month of May? I want to know. Tell me. Comment down below. Make sure you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. And please let me know what's your scent of the day. Like, come on, comment. Engage with me. I'm cool. She cool. Well, family, just make sure that you are good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, yo sis just did. Bye, family. I love you so much. Bye.